Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am in my local Kroger because this state is just under a panic attack. A lot of people are worried about, the weather and the snow, and the grocery stores are almost out of food, and people are just running to the store. They're not thinking. I almost got hit by a truck because I'm trying to park, and people are just in panic mode. So if you are watching this video, just keep in mind that strategize. Make sure that you're planning out your meals before you're going to the grocery store so that you are not just picking up anything. Make sure that you are picking up items that really matter. If you're going to be stuck at home for maybe 3 to 4 days or 5 days, make sure that you're getting items that are going to benefit you and your families. For instance, soup, spaghetti, meals, chicken breast packages that are going to last for, approximately 3 to 5 days that you could keep making a meal off, salads, maybe a nice pot roast, a slow cooking pot roast where you and your family of 4 or maybe 5 can eat off of it for at least 2 days or so. So going inside of the grocery store and just buying anything and everything and it's throwing off the source, the supply source, let's be mindful that some of us grocery shop and cook every day, and we are going into our local grocery store and not able to find any of the items that we purchase on a daily basis because everybody's running to the grocery store. They're buying more items than they normally buy because they're in panic mode, and you're not using your brain and thinking out what it is that you and your family may need. So come with me today as I go inside of the grocery store and, pick up some items that I left off of my list due to the items that were not available and readily available for me to pick up at my local grocery store a couple of days ago. So I'm going to go inside today to try to find those items. Hey guys, thanks for staying with me this long. I am now at home. I've completed my grocery shopping, and like I stated, we are getting prepared for the winter storm here in Georgia, and everybody's in panic mode. I mean, like, the shelves are just almost completely empty. As you can see in the video that I showed you, that the eggs, the bread, it's almost gone, and they are not restocking the shelves. I've been in the grocery store for the last 2 days, and it has not been restocked. The fruits and the vegetables are definitely, available to purchase, but a lot of our frozen food section is almost empty and things of that sort. But come with me so that you can see my grocery haul on the things that I did purchase, so that, if something like this happened in your state, that you are aware and mindful when you go to the grocery store that you should go in with the mindset to create dinners that can last you up to 3 to 4, days if you need to stay off the roads, and so that you can stay safe. Come with me. I am possibly going to, prepare a dinner on camera as well, so that you could just see a sample of something that I would make for my family of 6 to get through this storm on one day. Here are some meals that I have created to get us through this winter storm. I cut up some chicken that can last about 2 days, and you can make some salad off of this, a stir fry, things of that sort. I also made some spaghetti. This is a stir fry mix that I've created that me and my family can eat off, and I'm going to actually get ready and throw it inside of the slow cooker so that it can warm. I can hear the storm right now, It's not quite snowing here in Georgia yet, but it is starting to sleet, and I do not want the power to go out. So I am going to go ahead and start warming up some food for my family so that we can have, you know, some choices in case the lights and things go off. Have some ham in case the lights go out. My family can make some sandwiches. Have chicken noodle soup that I can actually just put over a burner if I need to warm this up inside of a metal pan. These are items that I have in case it storms and we can't get out. You know, some juice, milk, grapes, things that will be okay during this winter storm. Now let's look in the pantry and see what I have as well. Some items that I did place in her cabinet. Some grits, oatmeal, sugar, some rice, seasoning, some soups, more spaghetti, tortillas, breads, and things that I can create a quick meal. Winter storm rolling in tonight. I'm laying out the flashlights so we can find them quick if the power goes. Batteries are fresh. And I'm grabbing a couple extra blankets for the living room. No sense in being cold if we lose the heat. That should do it.
Like, comment, and subscribe.